Did you know that banana peels, which we usually throw away, can be a great ally for your health? Today, we'll show you how to make the best banana peel tea that will help you lose weight, reduce bloating, fight inflammation, and more, easily and quickly. Don't miss out. Banana peels are rich in fiber and antioxidants, which help control appetite, improve digestion, and combat inflammation in the body. By making this tea, you'll harness the power of a simple yet potent ingredient. To enhance these benefits, we'll add a few extra ingredients. Cinnamon, which boosts metabolism and controls blood sugar levels. Ginger, which improves circulation and digestion, and also fights inflammation. Cloves, which have anti-inflammatory properties and help with fluid retention. Now that you know the benefits, here's what you need to make this recipe. 1 liter of water, peel of 1 banana, 1 cinnamon stick, optional. A small piece of ginger, optional. 2 cloves, optional. Let's get started. First, wash the banana peel thoroughly, as this will be the main ingredient in our tea. Next, boil 1 liter of water in a pot. When the water is almost boiling, add the banana peel. Now, add the cinnamon stick, small pieces of ginger, and cloves if you wish. Let it boil for about 10 minutes. After that, turn off the heat and let the tea steep for another 5 minutes. This will help extract all the benefits from the ingredients. Finally, strain the tea. Your banana peel tea is ready to be served. Now that your tea is ready, it's time to enjoy all its benefits. You can drink the tea hot or cold, depending on your preference. For best results, it's recommended to drink 1 to 2 cups a day, preferably before meals. This will help control your appetite and speed up the weight loss and detoxification process. Remember, it's the combination of healthy habits, like drinking natural teas, that will bring lasting benefits to your body and health. Try this simple and delicious recipe and discover how banana peel tea can be a true revolution for your health. If you like this tip, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who would also love to know about this amazing tea. And remember, your health is in your hands. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more healthy recipes. See you next time, and keep taking care of yourself.
Attention! Lose weight quickly and healthily with Nagano Tonic, a revolutionary 100% natural powdered supplement that aids in weight loss and the elimination of excess fat. Inspired by the traditional health practices of Nagano, Japan, Nagano Tonic is your solution for a lighter and healthier body. Check out the official Nagano Tonic website. I'll leave the link in the first pinned comment. Visit now and discover all the benefits of Nagano Tonic.